Hi everyone, my name is Egypt Worthy. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I'm a Philly native. I have two cats. One is in the background right now. His name is Marley. I have another cat. His name is Monty. He's running around somewhere. I used to work for a nonprofit organization where I supported single women in shelter, as well as single women who were in transitional housing and women with children who are in transitional housing. And in order to be referred to our program, uh, women, men, however someone might identify, needed to have a mental health condition. So that was my first time working in the mental health field for the very first time. What are your beliefs about mental health diagnosis? And so, in reference to the position that I had, I found that it was very helpful to know as much information as possible about um, the people that I was supporting. And so, if they had a mental health condition, it was helpful for me to be aware of that um, and to be able to best support them and connect them to the appropriate resource. I do believe that people can be misdiagnosed, and I do uh, believe at times that people tend to have that mental health diagnosis be their identity rather than it be a part of who they are as a human being. Um, I have high anxiety, but that's just a part of who I am. It's not who I am, you know. And so I do find that people tend to just hold on to that. I'm a schizophrenic, you know, I'm depressed, rather it be that I experience depression. I have a schizophrenic diagnosis. So that's something that I saw working in that field, as well as just, having conversations with people. What ways do you participate to make a DSM-5 diagnosis? So I found that in the position that I was working in, the first step was, again, we would get the referral, and then um, after we met with the participant and they agreed to be a part of the program, me or someone else who was in a position that was in the same position as me, excuse me, um, would meet with the psychiatrist, the psychiatrist would get as much information as possible, and then they will meet with me and the participant, and then they would do a full evaluation, which ran about, sometimes if it was a new participant, about an hour or more. If they were someone that's been a part of the program for a very long time, maybe about 20-30 minutes. And then if they were a new participant, usually the psychiatrist would make a diagnosis or, you know, prescribe them medication, if they've been on medication previously. Uh, so yeah, looking forward to getting to know all of you and best of luck in the program.